everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Look what I have. You haven't seen me do a FabFitFun unboxing in almost 3 years. I used to subscribe to this and then I canceled. So you may be asking, why do I have this? Well, my lovely friend Clara Barrera emailed me and said that she had a free referral gift code and you could get this box and only have to pay shipping and handling, which was like $5.95. So basically I got a free FabFitFun starter box and I spent less than $6. So did I cancel immediately after this was shipped? You bet I did. But we're just going to unbox and see what less than $6 got me from FabFitFun. Hopefully what's in here will be worth all of what I'm going to assume to be are tons of emails I'm going to get asking me to subscribe. That's okay, because I don't know. The FabFitFun boxes were, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, sometimes the choices, like all the good ones were in the first choice. And anyways, enough rambling. Let's dive in and grab this first really heavy big box. I hope it's something for the kitchen, because I must say the things I would get for the kitchen from FabFitFun I really did enjoy. So let's see what this is. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but it's glass. Look at this little tiny, I don't know, like to put your rings in? I don't know what that's for. There's another one. So do these nest? Interesting. Are these for the kitchen? I don't know what kind of food you would put in something that tiny. Look, there is a third one. Glass. And they do nest. Okay, let's see what the box says, because I'm sure there's no booklet in here to explain what this is. So, I'm not really picking up on who this is from. It says Sin. Delight in your home, and this is an Urch glass decorative bowls set of 3, but on the side it says go to virginiasin.com. so maybe the company is just called Sin and it's located in Virginia, or it's called Virginia Sin. I will look these up, but these I guess are just decorative bowls, which I don't really decorate, but they are nice and they have some weight to them. It is real glass. All right, next item, whatever it is quite large. It's going to be a bag of some sort. It's in a beautiful kind of dusty mauve. I don't know what this is. Oh, there's multiple. Wait, are these packing cubes? I think these are packing cubes. Okay, these have a nice fabric. Because I picked some up from, where was it? Shop Miss A, and they are quite thin. These feel nicer quality. Let's see if I can find any information off of the bag. Okay, so it's made in China. These are the HANKY PANKY packing cubes, set of 3. All right, so not a bad product. Have I traveled, or will I be traveling anytime soon? No. But if and when I do, I have some nice packing cubes. All right, next item, we have some kind of a skincare, or is this for hair? This is from ONEKIND, and it's the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Okay, the cap is kind of partially lifted. Let's see if it's safety sealed. Yes, okay, so it is safety sealed. All right, I can always use a night cream. Well, not really, because I own 8,000 night creams. All right, the next product, we have some kind of a makeup product. What are you? So this is a lip and cheek balm. I'm trying to figure out what brand it's from. Let's see. Posh is this shade. Oh, okay. It's from NUDESTIX. Let's take off the plastic and do a little swatch. Ooh. All right. That, for me, is a really good lip shade. Normally when I get these, it's like, nope, I'm going to put them on the cheeks. But that has a shimmer to it, which I don't know that I would want on my cheeks. Where'd my mirror go? All right, let's see what she looks like. Yeah, I'm already wearing product, but it practically matches what's already on my lips. So, yay. Normally when I get a lip product from any beauty subscription. It's just not my shade. But this one, for once, looks really, really good. All right, I think that's everything in the box, which kind of surprises me because I thought when you subscribe, you get 5 products. But maybe in the free gift, they just kind of give you 4 products or something to a certain value amount. All right, let's recap everything I got in the free starter box from FabFitFun. I put everything back in the box already, but this is the set of 3 glass decorative bowls, a set of 3 packing cubes, a night cream from ONEKIND, and a lip and cheek balm from NUDESTIX. Heck yeah, this was worth $5.95 or whatever I paid for shipping and handling. This one product alone paid for that. Well, of course it did. Any one of these products paid for it. But for those who are curious, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. My guess is that these glass decorative bowls are going to be really, really pricey. Probably over $100. Maybe I'm wrong. That's one of the reasons why I stopped subscribing to FabFitFun is because they tend to overvaluate their products that you can find on Amazon or AliExpress. But sometimes you get some really nice items. But let me know if you still subscribe to FabFitFun, and if so, if you are enjoying it. I just got tired. Some seasons were really good, and then the next season would be like, wah, wah. But I'm very thankful to you, Clara. Thank you for sharing that free starter box, because this was fun. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.